Hello and welcome to all in tutorial 4 of 3DNA software. Today in this video we will explore some advanced options pertaining to 3D molecular canvas. These options are protector bricks, boundary bricks and crystal. Let's first see protector bricks. Protector bricks are half polyventi domains at the front and back faces of 3D structure. To enable the protector bricks, click on the protector bricks button on the advanced panel. Select either one or both planes at the front or back along the z-axis. This protector bricks at the front and back helps in preventing unwanted hybridization of DNA strands. Second is boundary bricks. Boundary bricks are 48 nucleotide bricks formed by the concatenation of short 16 nucleotide bricks with longer 32 nucleotide bricks on the boundary surface of the structure. To enable the boundary bricks, click on the boundary bricks button on the advanced panel. Boundary bricks can be enabled on any of the planes other than the faces with protector bricks. Third is crystal. A crystal is a continuous DNA brick structure formed by the hybridization of similar building blocks of smaller size. There are three types of crystals, X, Y and Z, which elongate in the XYZ direction respectively. To enable the crystal, click on the crystal button on the advanced options panel. Let us make the X crystal. An error will be displayed if the orientation of the surface not compatible to form a crystal. As here this structure is compatible, you have not get any error. Compatibility of the planes at the front and back faces based on orientation of DNA bricks is shown as below. This figure shows the plane coordinate number and its orientation. If the planes are not compatible, delete the planes from the front and back of the structure. Thank you.